SolidWorks is the best system for not only reading legacy data, but also imported data from multiple suppliers. It's a powerful import diagnostics to find and fix any geometry problem. FeatureWorks options can be set to update existing files, add sketch dimensions and relations, amongst a host of other settings. Edit and import geometry is easy. Directly from the graphics area, features can be extracted automatically. Fillets and other features can be easily changed. Multiple child features on face can be recognized in one hit. Subsequent changes can be quickly made and dynamically resized with real-time preview. In the case of 3D Interconnect, linked models can be simply dissolved. From here we can start to interactively recognize features and selected faces. While FeatureWorks is a separate add-in, it's intelligent enough to know when to load itself. FeatureWorks has been part of SolidWorks for over 20 years, and been included in SolidWorks Standard, this powerful functionality is available to all users. For users wanting more control and to choose how to recreate the Feature Manager design tree, we can access the FeatureWorks Property Manager. Here, specific feature types can be selected and recognized. Pattern features can be included too. Finally, the automatic mode can be used to identify the remaining features to give you a complete history tree to your specifications. With full control over every aspect of the model and a complete feature tree now available, we can make changes as normal. When editing sketches, we can see FeatureWorks done an excellent job. It automatically created dimensions and relations, and with a simple drag and drop become fully defined. Dimensions can be positioned and edited with a click. Sketch geometry updates seamlessly, as you would expect, making you forget this was ever an imported model. For imported sheet metal parts, while insert bends and convert to sheet metal will recreate the flat pattern, FeatureWorks has a suite of tools specifically for this area. With a simple selection of sheet metal features, along with a fixed face, the automatic mode does a quick job in recognizing features. Patterns too can be automatically identified. The result is a fully populated Feature Manager design tree. Like any native SolidWorks component, features can be subsequently edited, and additional design constraints taken into account, with intelligent up-to-reference pattern end conditions, with some intuitive options, and instant graphical preview. Extrusions, sketches, dimensions can be updated with a few clicks. All sheet metal features, edge flanges, etc. are instantly updatable. Of course, the key deliverable, the flat pattern, is always available. Complex shapes can also be recognized by FeatureWorks. Loft and swept features can be extracted. In the case of a swept feature, simply choosing a start and end face is all that's needed. Path and profile sketches are created, and as before, changes to dimensions can be made effortlessly. FeatureWorks makes changing imported components in your design a breeze. It's very common to use imported components in your assembly designs. When checking for fit and function, designers add mates to these imported components. These can involve several mates to base and other components. During the design, you may notice omissions and mistakes that were made in the original CAD system. To save time and get the job done, FeatureWorks again, with its powerful tools, automatically convert imported models into intelligent feature-based models. Fixes and updates to the design can be carried out, along with other design modifications. An important point to note with FeatureWorks is that it maintains the internal face IDs, ensuring that the mates you add in your assemblies remain attached. This saves you a great deal of time for not having to fix or reapply mates. SolidWorks and FeatureWorks together is the best system for working with and converting legacy and imported data into intelligent feature-based designs.